Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to transfer or how to send money from Apple Pay to Cash App. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because that's what helps me out. So you can transfer money from Apple Pay to Cash App, but it requires a few steps since there is no direct transfer option. So the first thing to do is to transfer Apple Pay balance to your bank, then transfer from your bank to your Cash App. Then here's how to get started with that. So the first step is to transfer money from the Apple Pay to your bank. So open the wallet app on your iPhone, then tap your Apple Cash card, then tap more, which is the three dot icon in the upper right corner, then select bank to transfer, select transfer to bank, then enter the amount and choose instant transfer. Then after that, you can also set a standard transfer, which takes about 1 to 3 days business day before you receive the fund. Then select your link bank account and confirm the transfer, and that's how you can simply transfer money from your Apple Pay to Cash App. So once the transfer is being received, so once the money is being received in your direct bank, then you can now transfer the money back to your Cash App, and that's it.